So, good day, sir. Presenting our 70% e-commerce in Adobe XD. So, the web part is made by Mr. Arcangel, and my part is the mobile. So, for the navigation, sir, I will pass it on Mr. Arcangel so he can kuha, navigate this.
For for the navigation, we have this is our website part. Then kung makikita nyo po itong icon na po to, papuntang pong mobile part po yan. Then yan po siya. For the mobile, we create account, sign up, and the login. This is our dashboard of the user panel. And then the market. All this item is functionable. Yan. Ito pong add to cart. Pag confirm po, pupunta po sa may add to cart. Then the place order. Pagka place order po, and thank you for purchase. Then pupunta po siya sa profile. Next is the wish list. Then the add to cart. Then the to pay, to ship, to receive, complete, and may bayaran po siya. Notification. Then the logout. Same the process of the website. Yung first na ginawa kong 30%, ganun din po yung function niya po doon sa may mobile. For this admin panel, di pa po kasi ito tapos. Kaya 70% of progress na masasabi ko po. And ito na lang po yung kulang sa project po namin. Then that's it. Good day, sir, and have a nice day.